Hello everyone, we'll show you how the Order Cancel Sync, Salesforce to Shopify, feature works in Sync Made Easy. This feature automatically cancels paid Shopify orders whenever the corresponding order is canceled in Salesforce, helping keep both platforms in sync. Let's get started. I've already logged into Salesforce and connected my Shopify store with Sync Made Easy. Now, let's open the SM Pro Features section. Here, you'll find the Order Cancel Sync, Salesforce to Shopify feature. Simply enable the feature. As you can see, the feature is now active. Next, let's move to Shopify and create a new order. Select a product, add a customer, collect the payment by marking the order as paid, and then click Create Order. Once the order is created, you can see that its status is paid and unfulfilled. Now, copy the Shopify order ID. Switch back to Salesforce and search for the order using the Shopify order ID. It may take a few seconds for the order to sync from Shopify to Salesforce. Once the order appears, open the Salesforce order record in a new tab. Now, let's cancel the order from Salesforce. Click the Cancel Order button and confirm the action. The order has now been canceled successfully in Salesforce. Return to Shopify and refresh the order page. As you can see, the same order has been automatically canceled in Shopify. This confirms that the Order Cancel Sync, Salesforce to Shopify feature is working successfully. And that's how you can automatically cancel Shopify orders from Salesforce using the Order Cancel Sync feature in Sync Made Easy. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us at support@syncmadeeasy.com. See you in the next demo.